Have you ever thought about starting your own print-on-demand store? In the next 10 minutes, we're going to walk you through a quick and efficient tutorial on just how to do that. Print-on-demand, or POD for short, is a business model that has transformed e-commerce. It's a game changer for entrepreneurs, artists, and creators alike. Why? Because it eliminates the need for inventory, significantly reducing upfront costs. Plus, it offers an unparalleled level of customization, allowing you to create unique, personalized products that truly reflect your brand. Imagine having a merchandise store without the hassle of inventory management or order fulfillment. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, that's the beauty of print-on-demand. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech whiz or design guru to get started, so let's dive into how you can start your own print-on-demand store. To start, you will need to create a Shopify account. It's a straightforward process. Head over to Shopify's website and click the Start Free Trial button. You'll be asked to enter your email address, create a password, and name your store. Choose a name that reflects your brand and is easy to remember. You'll then be guided through a few quick questions about your business. Don't worry if you're just starting out or don't have all the answers yet. These questions help Shopify understand your needs better, but they won't impact your store's setup. Once you've completed the questionnaire, you'll be directed to your new Shopify dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. From managing products and orders to tracking sales and customer data, everything is at your fingertips. Now let's talk about Shopify's plan options. There are 3 main plans: Basic Shopify, Shopify, and Advanced Shopify. Each comes with its own set of features and price points. Basic Shopify is ideal for those just getting started. It offers all the essentials at a reasonable cost. The Shopify plan is a step up, offering lower transaction fees and more features like gift cards and professional reports. If you're running a larger business, Advanced Shopify offers the lowest transaction fees and additional features like Advanced Report Builder and third-party calculated shipping rates. Before we move on, let's secure your store's domain. Having a custom domain not only gives your store a professional look, but it also makes it easier for customers to find you. To register a domain, go to the Domains section in your Shopify dashboard, click on Buy New Domain, and follow the instructions. Now that your Shopify store is set up, let's connect it with Printful. But before we do that, take some time to familiarize yourself with the Shopify dashboard. Explore the settings and adjust your store's basic features like currency, language, and time zone. This will set a strong foundation for the next steps in your print-on-demand journey. Scene script. Next, we will be creating a Printful account and connecting it with your Shopify store. Now let's dive into the world of Printful. Printful is a print-on-demand platform that allows you to create custom products for your store. To set up your Printful account, head over to Printful's website. Click on the Start Selling button and fill out the necessary information to create your new account. A confirmation email will be sent to your inbox. Click on the link in the email to verify your account. Once you're in, take a few moments to familiarize yourself with the Printful dashboard. Here you'll find everything you need to create your products, manage your orders, and much more. Now, let's connect Printful with Shopify for a seamless integration. This will allow you to create products in Printful and automatically add them to your Shopify store. To do this, go back to your Shopify dashboard and click on Apps in the left-hand menu. From here, click on Visit the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type in Printful and select the Printful app from the drop-down menu. Click on the Add App button and confirm the installation. After the installation, you'll be redirected to the Printful website. Here, you'll have to authorize the connection between Shopify and Printful. Click on Connect and sign into your Printful account if you're not already signed in. Once you've logged in, you'll be asked to confirm the integration. Click on Connect again, and there you have it. Your Printful and Shopify accounts are now linked. This integration will make the process of adding products to your store much smoother. Any product you create in Printful will automatically appear in your Shopify store, ready for your customers to purchase. Now, with your Shopify and Printful accounts connected, you're one step closer to launching your print-on-demand store. But before we get to that, let's take a look at how you can start adding products to your store. Great, your Shopify and Printful are now connected. Let's add some products. It's time to design and add products to your store. Now let's dive into the fun part, product creation. Over at Printful, this process is a breeze. Start by clicking on the Create Product button. This will open up a world of possibilities. From t-shirts and hoodies to mugs and canvas prints, Printful offers a wide range of products just waiting for your unique touch. Choose the product that aligns with your brand, and let's get creative. You can upload your own designs or use Printful's built-in design tools to create something from scratch. Remember, customization is key in the world of print on demand. The more unique your designs, the better chance they have to stand out in the crowded e-commerce landscape. Once you've designed your product, it's time to decide on the details. Select your preferred print technique, choose from various colors and sizes, and set your pricing. Keep in mind, your price should cover the cost of the product and the print, and leave room for a healthy profit margin. With your products designed and ready to go, it's time to bring them into your Shopify store. Back on Shopify, navigate to the Products section and click on Add Product. Here you can import your newly created Printful products. It's as simple as clicking a few buttons. But we're not done yet. Every product needs a compelling description and an attractive price. When writing your product descriptions, focus on the benefits your product provides, not just the features. Make it clear to potential customers why they need your product in their lives. Pricing is the final step. Remember, the price needs to cover your costs, but it should also reflect the value of the product. Don't be afraid to price your products a little higher if they offer superior quality or unique designs. Now that you've added products to your store, let's customize its look and feel. Keep in mind your store's design should complement the products you're selling. It's all part of creating a cohesive and compelling brand. So let's move on to the next step, customizing your store. In this step, we will be customizing your store to make it truly yours. Shopify offers a variety of themes to choose from, each with its own unique look and feel. It's crucial to select a theme that not only appeals to you, but also complements your brand and the products you're selling. Once you've chosen a theme, it's time to make it your own. You can adjust the colors and fonts to match your brand's style. Remember, consistency is key in branding, so make sure your online store reflects the same style as your other marketing materials. But customization doesn't stop there. You can also add your company's logo to the header of your store to increase brand recognition. And don't forget about the home page. It's the first thing your customers will see, so make sure it's engaging and inviting. Your store is looking great. Let's set up payment and shipping next. Now let's set up your payment and shipping options. It's crucial to provide a smooth checkout experience for your customers, and this starts with setting up reliable payment gateways. Shopify Payments is a great option, integrated directly into your store. Other popular choices include PayPal, Stripe, and Apple Pay. Keep in mind each payment gateway may have transaction fees, so choose one that's best suited to your business model. Next, let's talk about shipping. Shopify allows you to configure various shipping settings. You can set up shipping rates based on weight, value, or flat rates. You can also offer free shipping as a promotional tool. Remember, Printful handles fulfillment, so you'll want to align your shipping costs with theirs to avoid undercharging or overcharging. And there you have it. With payment and shipping set up, you're almost ready to launch. You're all set to launch your print-on-demand store. But before you hit that exciting launch button, let's run through a quick final checklist. Have you customized your store settings, including currency, language, and time zone? Have you selected a catchy store name and registered your domain? Have you successfully integrated Printful with Shopify and added your uniquely designed products? And don't forget about setting up your payment gateways and shipping settings. All checked? Perfect. Now, navigate to the Shopify dashboard and look for the launch button. Take a deep breath. You've made it this far, and you're only one click away from your dream of having your own e-commerce store. Ready? Click launch. Congratulations, you've successfully launched your print-on-demand store. Now let's talk about what comes next.